We are at the 2026 Mint 400 race here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Getting ready to go do the parade down the strip. That was honestly definitely not as cool as last night, but one of the coolest things that I've ever experienced. I've never done it. I've never done the parade for the Mint. In the 7 times that I've raced the Mint, never once have done that. So it was cool to finally get to do it. But I got some stuff coming from Phoenix tonight for the race car and for some other stuff that I got. So I think I'm gonna go to Dad's Airbnb and take care of that, and then go party it up tonight with Mark and Sam. Today we are down at the Mint 400 Tech on Fremont Street. It's a pretty cool experience being down here in downtown Las Vegas, rolling the race cars through the neighborhood and through downtown and all that. So definitely probably one of the coolest tech inspections that we go through. We reached new heights with this platform with the Bilsteins on it, and I cannot be happier with the setup that we have. This car is absolutely phenomenal with the shocks that we have on it, and we kind of proved that at last race with getting on the podium, starting from the back of the pack, and yeah, I mean, I could not be happier with this platform and this package.
No, we're super excited to see how you did. I mean, we were pumped with the KOH at the end of the day, seeing your results there, and just, I mean, we were excited about putting this package together for your car. We knew we were going to have a good package for you with the Blackhawks. So you doing what you did and you got second there at KOH was awesome. That was the first, go at it.
Now we're almost done with tech, which is nice. Have the rest of the day to go through the car for like a millionth time, just because I don't stop. And get tech done with, go check over the car, and get ready for racing tomorrow. Am I nervous? Extremely. A lot more than normal.
This race means a lot to me. The Mint is one of the most historical races that I've ever known about. Big fan of Hunter S. Thompson, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, of course. And this was my very first race 2 years ago. Todd threw me in the car on the 3rd lap, and Billy Long and I took it across the finish line, and we took first. So we got to bring home some hardware, which was my first entry into this addictive sport.
This is the man that's the reason that I'm racing. This is my father, Todd. He's the whole reason that I'm in this sport and that I love it so much and that it's my whole life. And I wouldn't choose a different life for the world. I love racing against him. It's something that we've done for a handful of years now. Before it was just me, and then it was just him, and then it started to be a thing that we did together. And yeah, I love it. We've raced together now consecutively for about 2 years. But I think we've raced together for about 4 years, off and on in different classes. And this year means a lot because 2 years ago we went off the line together in the same class and battled it out for the first lap. And then I just checked out and kind of smoked him on the first lap before I had transmission issues in my X3. And he ended up winning that race after I started having issues, which was pretty cool. But
we're going off the line together today.
Yeah, we're going off the line side by side together today, so it'll be a cool experience to do that again, but hopefully with a different outcome from 2 years ago.
I want nothing more for him to beat me.
Nervous, definitely. But I'll go away here in about 5 minutes when I go off the line.
good. He had a tire that was a little low. Looked like it probably took a little bit of a hit, but it didn't cut the tire or anything, so we went ahead and just proactively swapped it out. But everything on the car is perfect. So a little bit of fuel, new tire, and good to go.
Seeing him at the finish line on the podium, it means the world to me, and I'm sure it means the world to him.
This is the first year that I finished in a car that I owned, and then I started the racing. We're all stoked about what Sam and I just accomplished. So it's a surreal feeling. That's good.
This is pretty rad. The Segway pulling a P3. Yeah, baby. That is a big deal. You have to put that around your neck and make sure you don't mess up that camera right there. Is it Jacob?
Yeah.
Awesome job, Jacob. What's your name, sweetie?
My name is Samantha Rohde.
Samantha Rohde. So, dude, this is awesome car, and I know these Bilsteins in here too. They're not even hot. That's cool, man. They're actually cool.
No, the Bilstein shocks were amazing all day. You know, I think that's a big part of the reason of our success at this race and our future success in this series as well. Since putting these shocks on, we've been on the podium every single time, so can't complain about that.
No, absolutely not. This thing is, and it's cool, man. I'd love to see new manufacturers come in here, and I know they're doing a whole crazy new system that's going to be kind of similar chassis, but a whole different powertrain.
Yeah, not sure 100% when that's going to be coming to the States, but you know, it's in the works, so that's cool. But right now, I mean, we're all kind of focused on the Super Villaindelivered platform with the 2-liter turbo, so you know, it's been a great platform for, you know, the 2 years that I've been racing it. So it's yeah, I have no complaints about the car, and you know, we really put it to the test today. So
I think I've seen a broken mirror on every car that's come in here.
Yeah, it was a brutal race, that's for sure, but it was fun, and you know, we took our time in some of the rougher sections, and you know, went faster in places that we could, and you know, it worked out well